This is the here, the beautiful view. Like cueva, I mean, you can come there dentro or inside. This is the cueva view and the mountain view in Japabiniana. Oh, we are just here and so a lot of people also renting this small boat to going here. So anyway, here is beautiful and we stopped here. This is the first stop and the second later I will show you guys. And yeah, you can sit there. Sunbathing, right? Well, we just arrived. A lot of boating there. A lot of this is grand. Tanto right, tanto. Sweetie, we can come there near.
Ah, no, noi rimettiamo da sotto montagna, beh.
Qua, no?
mettere qua.
Se no devi mettere sotto questa montagna qua.
Ma lì